Hi, Santiago here. Let's download and install Bambu Studio while we learn the foundations of Bambu Studio and BambuLab. Let's do this. Well, first of all, we need to understand what Bambu Studio is. In 3D printing, a slicer is the software that translates the digital model into instructions the printer can understand. What it does is it slices the model into very thin layers and generate the code that the printer follows to build the object, layer by layer. In the case of Bambu Studio, is the official slicer of BambuLab printers. It lets you adjust settings such as print quality, speed, supports, or material type. It's an essential tool because it connects the 3D design we create on the computer with the actual manufacturing on the printer. So let's go to download it. First, we go to Google and we search for the phrase Bambu Studio download. Then we go to the first or the second link that it appears, and then we go to the BambuLab website. We can see the name of the program, some description about it, and the two options if you want to install in Windows or in Mac. Then we click on it and execute it, and then will appear a window of the wizard, the install wizard. We click on next, we agree on the license, and we install it. Then when it appears the word completed, we can click on next, and then it will ask if we want to run Bambu Studio. We say yes. Then if we want to associate the .3mf file, that is the file where is saved all the configurations of the process of slicing that we want to execute on a 3D model, and associate the STL, that it's the type of file that we are going to use to insert it in the slicer. We're going to learn how to export it from ArchiCAD and Rhino in other videos. So we recommend you to keep in touch with us. And the associate, the STP, I don't think is necessary right now. Then we click on close and it will start to open the Bambu Studio. And that's it. You can see that we are already inside the Bambu Studio software. So that's it by now. We have installed and downloaded Bambu Studio. See you on the next video.